Hey everyone, Techne here, coming at you with another headset review. And the headset we have today is the Astro A10 Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild Nintendo Switch version. And let me tell you what, these things are gorgeous. So before we get any further into this video, let's get to the point. What most of these are wondering, why does it say giveaway in the title? Wherever the title may be. Or how do I enter the giveaway? And how you enter the giveaway for this headset is continue watching this video to find out how to enter the giveaway for this headset. All right. I'll give you one quick tip on how to enter for the headset, right? Number one, subscribe. Number two, hit that bell. So subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll let you know what else to do later in the video. Now you can just subscribe simply by pressing that button right there, right on the screen as you're watching this video, okay? And I'll let you know what else to do later on in the video. Let's get into it. So what did you guys think of those close-ups right there? Wow, I think these things are absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm not a big Zelda fan, right? My first Zelda I ever played was Breath of the Wild, which was fantastic. If you've never played it, you definitely should. Amazing game. I put so much time into that. Really love the game. But again, I'm not like this big Zelda fan or Zelda collector or anything, but these things were just such a good price that I couldn't pass them up. And honestly, they are just gorgeous. I mean, they look super cool. Even if you're not a Zelda fan, these things just... I mean, they look awesome. I gotta show you this box too. The box is so cool. As you can see in the front right there, you got the little showing the headset A10 in the gold. Over here, you got a little Zelda marking. And then on the side as well, the back just shows you kind of what comes in it. But inside is pretty cool too. Let me pop this guy open. I won't take the whole thing out to show you, but just a quick little peek. As you see right here, it has Zelda, and it's kind of got like a little map looking thing in it, and it goes through the entire box on the inside. Just really cool, you know, just cool little touch. All right, so in your box, obviously, you're going to get the headset, right? You get your 3.5 connector here, which has the volume rocker control on it, and it's really nice because it's got like this soft rubber, and the cable's very thick. Let me bring you in just to show you, see if I can get some focus. See that right there? You got the volume rocker, but it says Astro on it, and it feels really nice. Again, you kind of have that like soft rubber feel on it. And again, the connector's up. You got a little flexibility, so it's not gonna, wear out up there. But it feels solid. Over here, we have this Nintendo Switch chat connector, which I think is ridiculous, and I will never ever use this. Right? So you have one set goes into your console, the other one goes into your phone for that goofy Nintendo Switch chat thing, which I think is ridiculous. Again, I will never use it, but it's pretty cool. Again, it feels durable if you're into that thing. Check this out here. You get the little Zelda logo right on that as well, so it's really cool. But again, I will never use this. I thought I could use it for like a splitter for the PC, where you got the two males and your headset will go into there. But I couldn't get it to work, so I don't know. Maybe I was doing something wrong. I'm not too sure. Maybe I need to try it again, but let's get that out of here. As far as connecting to the headset, you just take your 3.5 over here, and then you have your jack right down here on the bottom, as you can see there, and then connect it in. And it's in there really secure. It's not going to come out or pop out on you by any means. So you're in there and you're set to go. So number one, most importantly, comfort. I think they're pretty comfortable. Like when I put them on, it's not like, oh, let me get them off. Only that little mild bit of padding up at the top, as you can see. You got that cloth padding right here, as you saw in the close-ups, but you can see them here a little bit better, and it's super soft. I mean, it is really soft and breathable. You can hear a lot of outside noise. Obviously, they're cloth. You don't have any of that pleather on the outside or anything, so you do get some outside noise. It's not like a tremendous amount, by any means, but you do get it. But as far as comfort, there's one thing that I really don't like, and I know a lot of Astros kind of do it, but as you can you guys see that in the camera, how that's swaying back and forth right there, that little bit? That's really your only bit of adjustment. You have no in and out give, which I personally really like. Again, with my glasses, because most of this pressure is going to be up towards the front of your face, not towards the back. And I kind of like tilting my headsets back so it kind of, rests across the back of my head there and cups my ear, if you catch what I'm saying there. But these guys, when you put them on, it leaves the back open a little bit because, again, they're pressing up here towards the front and not the back. Again, it's not an uncomfortable by any means, but to me it's a little bit annoying. I wish I could just squeeze them back a bit to wrap my ears completely. But again, as far as headset comfort, as we all know, everyone's head's going to be shaped a little different, and that might not matter to you at all. That's, again, just me. I think that is just a little uncomfortable, but again, for you, it may be completely different. And hey, you might be able to test it out for yourself. Alright, so now let's talk about sound quality. They sound good on console, okay? Now, I tested them out on PC, a little bit of Division, some Apex, some Battlefield, and no matter what, I couldn't get them to sound good. Whether if I was going directly into the PC, with the splitter, anything, I just couldn't get, not sound good. I couldn't get them to sound good. I couldn't get them to get like loud and clear. And since they were lower in volume and clarity, it's just, I felt like I was missing half of my game. Again, it wasn't like, you know, extremely horrible, but it was pretty bad. So if you're looking for these for PC, I'd probably point you in a different direction. Now, of course, these are Nintendo Switch version. I mean, when you look online and you look at the stats for all of them, they're all the exact same. So I don't know how the PC version or, say, the PlayStation or Xbox version would sound any different. Because as far as headset build and the interiors and everything like that, everything's the same. So, but again, we're talking about this one. So let's talk about the Nintendo Switch one on PC. I'd say no as far as for PC. Now, as far as console, they were amazing. And that's on any console. I tested them on the Xbox, the PlayStation 4 Pro, and, of course, the Nintendo Switch. And they sounded phenomenal. I was like, wow. Like, how did it sound so bad on PC? And then I plug it in this console, and it's just like a completely different world. I mean, it was solid. I mean, there's a lot more bass than I expected in these bad boys, you know what I mean? They almost, again, I've used the A50s before, and they pretty much sound like, if you've ever used those A50s or any of those higher-end Astros, they sound like, you know, you got the EQ settings, or you got that basic one where it's Astro preset, and I think they call it Astro when you go into there. That's exactly what these sound like. To the T, 100% exactly like, say, the A50s on an Astro preset. So as far as sound, we're going to give it a no-go for PC, but all day long on the console. Now, durability and design. I think I pretty much already covered design. I mean, these things are hot. I mean, they look so cool. Just the black and gold. Anyways, yeah, I can go on and on. They look awesome. Durability. I really like them. One thing that's kind of different, I don't want to say it's bad, but it's different, and I'm going to bring you in to show you here. As you can see right there, you have your notches where you usually adjust it. You see how it's just sliding? But I mean, it's pretty firm when it's sliding. But most headsets have that click, so you can kind of click it and get it right there. This is like, it's pretty firm, but it just slides. So again, just to move it, it's just a simple slide. It doesn't click, so you don't kind of get it right into that position you want. It's never moved around on me, but again, it's just different from other headsets I've tried. But as far as the rest of the durability, again, the wires are really durable. The pads are extremely soft, and they feel very thick. You know what I mean? Your ears don't touch the inside by any means. But here, as far as some more durability, check that out. Right? Is that not awesome? Here, let's go a little bit more. Wow. I mean, come on. Come on. So with that, I give these guys a pass and a half for durability. So as far as mic construction, I mean, this thing is awesome. Extremely flexible. Again, it holds its position to wherever you're bending it to. The flip up to mute works fantastic. But how about the sound? Anyways, let's go on and get a mic test real quick. $45. Now, the $45 is from a third-party seller. If you click on it and go into where to purchase it from, which sellers, right down here, buy used or new, and you're going to get it new, of course. Go through there and click on it. You can get it through Amazon, official Amazon, for $49 currently. Alright, so the mic test. I mean, it wasn't bad. It's definitely passable. Maybe not the best I've ever used, but again, not the worst I've ever used. Kind of right there in the middle. What I'd recommend you doing is, you know, hop on Amazon, maybe get a little windscreen, little pop filter to put over the tip of this. You can get them for like all day long, maybe $2-3, something like that, for a pack of a few, you know what I mean? And I think that'll make a pretty big difference right there. Kind of gets a little of that hollow sound, and some of the P's and T's this guy catches a lot. So all in all, these Astro A10s, the Nintendo Switch, Breath of the Wild version here, I give them a win. I mean, number one, these things look awesome. Their durability is fantastic, right? The price, 49 bucks. I don't think you can go wrong, you know? I mean, these things are just gonna be a nice display piece here if I don't use them, you know what I mean? Maybe I'll just keep them in the room for the Switch use, you know what I mean? But really nice. Again, if you can get them for that 49, if you get into that 59 MSRP, I think I might point you in a different direction. How about those Recon 200s we just reviewed, right? Those are at those 59 bucks, and that is what I would tell you to get for 59 bucks. Again, I'm not saying these are bad by any means, but I personally just love those Recon 200. All right. I know you guys just like, dude, get to the giveaway already, right? We don't care about the headset. I want to win it so I can test it out. So how do I win it? So how are you going to be able to win this headset? Number one, subscribe. Number two, what I want you to do down in the comments is just write your favorite Nintendo Switch game. And then when the giveaway is going to take place is when we peak that 1,000 subscriber count, which we're getting fairly close there, right? And as you all know, if you watch the HyperX Alloy Core review, this is also going to be given away there. And kind of what we're doing here is creating a big pool of items. So whenever we do that giveaway, we're going to have multiple winners, right? It's not just going to be one person out of there. So far we have this HyperX Core RGB keyboard. Now we're going to have these Astro A10s as well. So you may be asking yourself, well, when is that going to take place? Well, I don't know. It's whenever we hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway in that kind of celebration 1,000 subscriber video right whenever we peak 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, give or take 1,100, something around that. I'm not too sure. So you're going to want to hit that notification bell as well so you are notified whenever that video does come. But number one, subscribe. Number two, list right now what is your favorite Nintendo Switch game. Number three, it's up to you. Hit that notification bell because then you're going to be notified whenever that video comes for the giveaway. And we're going to have a couple more items in there too. So I recommend you hitting that notification bell because it's going to be a fun one. But hey, everyone, thank you so much for watching this review on the Astro A10 headset here. I give them a win, especially at that current sale price of 49 bucks. I highly recommend you scooping up at that price. I'll leave the link right down there in the description. Again, at that price, I think we got a win on our hands. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go on and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. And I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.